Hi, I'm Kyle. Welcome to Blackboard Collaborate. I'll be showing you some of the features what it has to offer. Joining a session in Blackboard Collaborate is really simple. You just want to click the Join Session button right there on the right. If you want to join anonymously, you can always hit the Dial In button right under it. If you want to share what you're doing with your students in the classroom, you're going to hit Share Blank Whiteboard. This is to let anybody on your room see what you're doing. If you want to teach them a valuable lesson, such as a math lesson, you can do it right here and your whole class can see. Now they'll know that 1 + 1 = 2. If you want to share an application or screen, just hit the Share Application Screen button right there. You're going to hit Enter Screen. You're going to hit Share right there. Suddenly everyone will see your screen. Obviously it's a little wonky right now, so what you want to do is either share an application or switch tabs to fix it. If you want to share a file such as a PowerPoint, you want to hit Add Files right there. You can go through what you got. Click on the file you want to share. Polling is another feature that Blackboard has to offer. If you want to start a poll, click Polling right there. We'll go yes or no. We'll say, is Blackboard a great tool for students? Here in a classroom, when you ask your students, is Blackboard a great tool? You'll probably hit yes. If you want a timer, say you're timing your students, you want to hit the timer button right there and hit start. There's 5 minutes right there, but you can always change it to whatever you want. If you want to put your students in different groups, you just hit the Breakout Groups button. You can see there's different groups right there. You can hit the plus button and add any kid in your Blackboard Collaborate session into the group. Say in your session a student has a question. At the bottom bar over here, you'll see a little guy raising his hand. If a student clicks that, it'll show in the room that they're raising their hand and have a question. My associate Sarah has a question and the teacher will see that and be able to answer it.
Associate.
The chat feature is another useful tool of Blackboard Collaborate. Here students can chat with each other or even the instructor. They can talk about what the material is in the class or just have a nice friendly conversation, whatever they want. One of the most useful features is the sharing voice option. If you click that, everyone will be able to hear you talk. You have a microphone. The entire class will be able to hear you. All these features, just a handful that Blackboard Collaborate has to offer. It's a really useful tool for the classroom and can make any difference in your teaching.